Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create this star animation and also this ornament in our tree. And if you want to learn how to create this tree, I will leave the tutorial in description. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, this is our Christmas tree, and if you want to see this tutorial, I will leave it into the description. So now let me create a star. Okay, go to designer. Okay, now go system or systems, add system, and I'll name it star. Star. Then, okay. Go to emitter and set point to 3D model. And I'll go to choose model. Okay. Yeah. And I'll choose star. Yeah, this one. Okay. And okay. I'll go to layer maps, click here and here. Okay. Then I'll go to emitter, change X to faces, and also particles per second. I'll change it to 3000. Okay, and let me close system 2 and this system just right now. Okay, now I'll go to motion, uniform, choose inwards. Okay, and I'll go to particle, life per seconds. I'll change it to 0.3, and also life random I'll change it to 50. Go to size, change size to 4 and size random 100. Then go to size of a life, presets, and I'll choose this one. Opacity random, I'll change it to 100. And opacity over life, I'll choose this one. Okay, now I'll open system and system 2, then apply. Okay, now I want to color this star, so I'll go to particle. Okay, set at star to random, and presets I'll choose this one, and I'll color this star to yellow like this, and see. This is our star. Okay, now I want to animate this star. So I'll go to particle. Okay, and I'll go to layer, no, null object. Okay, and I'll name it center. Okay, and I'll make it 3D. Okay, then I'll press P, go to first frame, keyframe, and I'll go to 3 seconds forward, and I'll go to Y position, and I'll type minus 200 and 2500. Okay, and see. Okay, I don't remove this, I just add. Okay, it's very important. Okay, also Shift R, okay, for rotation, and I'll go to Y rotation, keyframe, and -6, 3 seconds forward, and 0, and see. Okay, very good. This is our center. Then I'll go to particle and make sure that you are on star and create null. Create null. And see. This is our null. Rename it star. And I'll put it down. Then I'll parent null star with center. Okay, and see. Okay, also if you see something like this, you can go to particle. Okay, go to first one, then go to emitter size Y. You can change 11 to 10 or 12, and it will be fixed. Okay, okay, now I'll go to again star, and I'll go to, and also we'll go to particle null star, and I'll press P for position, keyframe, and I'll add on X position -1200. Then I'll go 3 seconds forward, and I'll change it to 0. Then I'll go to this point and this point, and right click, easy ease, and see this animation, and see. Okay, this star, animate with Christmas tree. Yeah, this is very good. Okay, now I want to add some dust or some particles also with this star, so I'll go to particle. Okay, and I'll go to designer again. Okay, and I'll go to systems, add system, and I'll name it dust. Okay, or maybe star dust. Okay, and apply. Okay, make sure that you are on star dust, and just create null. Okay, this one, and I'll name it also star dust. Then I'll put this null here. Okay, and I'll parent this null with our center null. Then press P, position, first frame, and I'll go here also minus 1020 like star or null star. Then I'll go 3 seconds forward and I'll change it to 0. I don't put keyframe, sorry, 0 here, and minus 1200. Then I'll change it to easy ease and see. Okay, let me add some changes here on Stardust particle. Make sure that you are on Stardust. Then I'll go here, emitter continuous. I'll change it to from emitter speed. Okay, then I'll go to particle. I'll change size to 2. Also, I'll change life per seconds to 1. And life random, I'll change it to 50. Size random 100. Also opacity random 100. Opacity over life presets, I'll choose this one. And also size over life, I'll choose this one. And see our animation now. And see. Again. Okay, very good. Now I want to add ornaments in our Christmas tree. So also I'll go to designer. Okay. Then I'll go to system, this one, and I'll go here, click and duplicate system. Okay. And let me go to particle. Okay. And set sphere to sprite. And choose sprite. And I'll choose ornament. Yeah. Okay, I'll choose this one. Then, okay. So now let me go to particles and I'll change it to 200. And also I'll go to size and I'll change size to 100. And yeah, this is our ornament. Okay. Then apply. Okay, now see our Christmas tree. Okay, this is my tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.